Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Wednesday and for a change I thought I'd do or start something called Wacky Wednesdays, where I'm actually going to do my pour over very different items that I can find around the house. Today I found this plastic bottle that's used for a yogurt drink. I won't say the name because of branding issues, but it's got some nice grooves running down it. So I thought if I place this on the canvas and then do a pour over it, might actually work out quite nicely. So that's what I'm going to do today. But first I need to mix up my paints. The colors I've got today: a nice magenta, we've got the lemon yellow, we've got the cadmium orange, very nice orange, we've got the deep azure crimson, and then of course we've got the cadmium yellow. So some nice bright colors today. I'm just going to do the pouring now, so I'll speed this section up. Okay guys, there we go. You can see some beautiful bright summery colors there. I put a few drops of silicone into each color and given it a quick mix. Right, so here's the bottle. I'm just going to place it this way, I think, right in the middle, like that. And then I think I'm just going to pour back and forth over this section and just see how it all comes out. There we go guys. Right, let's see what this has done. Just going to lift this up gently and take it off. Wow, looks like we've got a little brain going on there. Left hemisphere, right hemisphere. Flame and see if we can get some cells coming out. And then we're going to start tilting it. There we go. Right, let's go. Very interesting effect. Oh, there's a bit of water, that wasn't great. Just going to give it another flame and see what can happen. But yeah, it hasn't really made any discernible pattern from those ridges. It's sort of just all splunked down at once, and a lot of it has mixed, so we're getting this sort of mixed color sections over here, along with the lemon yellow, which always seems to come out brightest. But yeah, interesting. Right, there you have it guys. Quite a interesting white tear through the middle and some sort of psychedelic patterns. Not a great deal of cells. I guess that pouring method doesn't really allow the paint to layer nicely and to come up on top of each other. I mean, there are some coming through, but nothing like a swipe. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little experiment. Yay or nay, I'd say probably not. So rather let me try it so that you don't have to. So guys, thanks for watching this Wacky Wednesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I see lots of you are commenting on my videos, which is great. Thanks very much. I always try and get back to everyone who comments. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your week. I'll give you a close-up of the painting now. Cheers.